Carpentry prepares you for more of the rough side of the industry, so framing, sheeting, more of the outside of the houses, things like that. We do also learn about cabinetry and how to build basic cabinetry, but the woodworking program does go more into detail. It teaches you more techniques, more in depth of how to do more of the finishing work of the side of the industry.
Starting in the shop, you'll learn how to not just work the tools, but understand the tools and what are they used for and what they're able to accomplish with them. In class, you talk about theory, we talk about selecting materials, building codes, construction applications, and be able to navigate through all these tools that are available at your fingertips.
So I graduated back in 2024, and I was employed by the following September, so I was only out of work for about 3 months. So now I'm working for a small company. We're called Impeccable Carpentry, and it's my dream job. So as of right now, we're working out of town, so it is long shifts, but the work is extremely rewarding. I get to practice my skills, so I'm doing a lot of casing, but I'm sure I will be thankful for it in the future.
So we prepare the students for work that is within the region. It would be mostly in shop for cabinet making, or maybe working with a contractor to build scaffolds or foundations, or maybe on the roof to install shingles and vents. As well, in the woodworking aspect, you'll probably do some architectural molding, or even sitting in the office drawing designs in a computerized kitchen program. So it depends on what you focus on and what appeals to you. There's a lot out there for you to find your niche.